Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys phone battery percentage setting, and today video battery guys how to show and enable battery percentage in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to check your phone battery percentage, friends you can see I cannot check how much battery percent I have on my Infinix mobile. So friends, you want to show battery percentage, you want to enable battery percentage on your Infinix mobile. So find how to enable and how to use battery percentage setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your device. So friends, on your Infinix mobile friends, click here phone power setting. After on my phone power setting friends, you want to on your power boost setting, so you can on and you can off from here left side. Close anyway friends, click here. Friends, you want to enable ultra battery saver mode, so you can enable from here. Click here and ultra battery saver mode will enable. So when scroll it friends, click here battery setting, advanced setting. If you click, so friends you can see battery saver mode is here. You want to enable battery saver, you can on battery saver. Friends, click here battery setting, and once you can see here third option, show battery percentage in status bar, on status bar. So friends, you can see now you cannot check how much battery percent I have. So when I will on battery percentage friends, you can see I can use my battery percentage. I can check how much battery percent I have on my mobile. Friends, I have 59% battery. And friends, again you want to hide this battery percentage, so if you click here, so friends you cannot check how much battery percent you have on your device. So once you want to show battery percentage on your status bar, so you can show battery percentage and you can use it. And friends, you can on your low battery shutdown warning from here. So like that friends, we can use battery settings. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.